In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Mfc100u.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser and then simply search for the missing DLL. Just put the download word and then you have to click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download button corresponding to the architecture or the system type of your Windows. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Then you have to make a right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click and then select copy. And go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder. Locate the System32 folder. Right click and then select paste. Now once done, close all the windows, then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Open a browser again for the second step and search for Visual C++, Redistributable and hit Enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Also consider to update your Windows. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. Click on Windows Update on the left pane and simply click the button right here. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.